This snowstorm wasn't on any weather map, and it was following one car. I was driving alone at night, clear skies everywhere. No wind, no clouds. Then snow started falling, only on my windshield prima pulled over. The road behind me was dry. The road ahead dry. I stepped out. The snow stopped instantly. I got back in the car. The snow started again. Then my radio turned on by itself and said, "Keep driving. Don't stop." The snow got thicker, and the car behind me disappeared inside it. Now I'm parked again, and the snow is falling only on me. Would you drive forward, or get out again? Type, drive, or stop.